Hello.
Hi, good morning.
Yeah, sorry for the delay. Like I totally forgot and I didn't get any notification as.
Celebrities, I know you guys are busy. It's okay. We understand. I don't know what happened these days. Even we are not receiving a message sometimes. Maybe some issue with the app. I'm sure they're resolving it. Yeah.
Yeah. That,
So,
yeah.
how are you, busy man? How are things going on?
Yeah, things are going great for me. And nowadays I also started practicing English by opening the Google Meet. There is an instant meeting option where I can alone speak and I can turn on the captions
Okay.
and the caption will like type
It gives
everything
a
that I speak.
subtitle. Exactly.
So if
Yeah,
my
yeah,
pronunciation is great, it will print exactly.
true. And if not, it will give you a very weird word that we have not seen. True, true. So, how did you get that idea?
I was speaking to one of my friend on Google Meet, and he turned on the caption, and I
Oh.
noticed. Anyway, that is free, right? So I can use it to practice.
All right, that's true. So, what did you analyze about your pronunciation?
Uh, there are some pronunciation like if I tell wow slowly, it will hear as well.
Oh, okay. All right. So,
So
don't completely base yourself on that. Okay. So now, for to a person, if you say wow, we will understand. Sometimes the machine will not. It will give you a different subtitle. So don't completely base or analyze yourself on those subtitles and what the machine says.
yeah.
See, in the future, however, artificial intelligence will be taking over the world. So you don't start it from now. Let us give it time. Right. I can hear the birds chirping. Where are you? It's like so soothing and relaxing.
Actually, I should not be like relaxed right now because I just ran and come over the class and joined the class.
Oh, okay, okay. The surroundings are very peaceful, is what I'm saying.
Yeah, because I am in the terrace.
On the
I
terrace.
I'm on the terrace, and
Okay.
I didn't want it to like delay more by like opening my door and going to the room.
I understand. I understand. But this is good. Change of place. I think it'll have a different mindset here as well. That's cool. So, did you ever break a traffic rule, or did you cross a signal or something? Anytime? Were you fined?
Uh, I didn't intentionally do that, but yeah, I think when I was traveling in Mangalore, and once when I started the bike and I almost crossed the signal turned red, and
Oh.
everyone stopped except me. I faster. So
Okay.
yeah, once it happened to me. Yeah, that's
Oh,
all I remember.
okay. Okay. So, do you think laws are, important and they're required for any country?
It is very important. I don't think that without law, like if we follow, if we take all the precaution, it will. But there is definitely uh, lack of organization. Like if we see ants, they are like very organized and they have their own rules, and we definitely need it.
Okay. So, to what extent do you think people are following these rules?
No, people are not following these rules. They are following it for the sake of government, or if any policeman is standing over there, people will follow the rules. Or else there won't be even mask. Nowadays, when I was traveling to gym, I wear mask plus helmet, and there are people who don't wear both. At
I
least
know,
helmet is not required, but mask is required. It is super important.
I know, I know. Gone are those days. There was a time in Hyderabad when if you don't wear a mask, you will be fined 1,000 rupees. At that, when that news was around, people wore masks no matter what. But nowadays, it's nothing. You can do
And
anything and
even
everything is
if
legal.
we spit, there was fine, but even that has stopped right now.
Yeah, yeah, exactly. So no matter the pandemic or not, you should not spit on the roads. Please, what are you even doing? Do you do it in your house? No, right? Why on the road? It's so disgusting. I remember I went for my COVID test. All right. So people were doing that in the hospital. You are a potential COVID patient, and you are doing that. Like, what are you even doing? Can you see what is going around the world? Are you that stupid? You need a rule to not spit. Like, oh, I can't. I can't. I'm telling him I was so frustrated on that day. I didn't have energy, or else I would go and hit that fellow. Literally speaking. Correct. So, do you think the efforts of a police, traffic police, are underrated?
Definitely. Not only them, there are many social workers whose work is underjudged, and we
Underrated.
for their work we are returning them with the hatredness, and we even like let's take an example of the doctor currently. uh, I have read some news where they even people are not hesitating to kill the doctor, or to attack the doctor. For what? Finally, they are doing their best. They are risking their life for us, and we are giving this in return. Like, even our life is not in their control. They are trying their level best, but instead of like understanding this, people are very selfish, and like attacking them.
Yeah,
So
that is true.
definitely their work is like underrated.
Okay. So, is it because of the people's perspective? You know.
No, I think it's just because of usually people will think about themselves. They won't keep them in other person's shoes.
Okay, that's true. That's true. So, if there were no laws for a day, all right. So, what would Shiva do? What are the 10 things that you would do if there were no laws?
uh
At least two, three.
it's very hard question, but
Would you do anything
I would
illegal?
like practice GTA Vice City maybe. There is a game.
I know, but would you do it on the road?
No, I might like enter someone else's vehicle and maybe ride it,
It's not
because
even
there are
your
some
way.
beautiful cars over in front of my home.
Oh my god. That's cool. That's one of the best thing I have heard today. GTA Vice City. But do you remember we were so crazed about it back in our childhood? Everywhere we go or every cousin's house, there was this game and people were so involved in that. And I'm
I am a
sure,
live example of that. I was super
seriously
crazy of that.
crazed.
Yeah.
Okay, okay, that's cool. And because of that game, we got this interest to drive a car and to learn a car and do what's not in those days. I know that was a passion, trust me. So would you do anything else apart from stealing someone's car and playing GTA?
uh, I would
Okay,
like to even travel in an aeroplane without
okay,
anything.
okay, that's nice, that's cool. So maybe see in this situation, one of your friend comes and says, see, we'll go rob a bank or we'll do something. So would you discourage them, or will you say no to that? Not will you say yes, yes, we'll do?
No,
What
I
would you
don't
say?
want to do all those stuff, because I want to be an inspiration to others. And if I do that, they will take me as a bad example. So instead of robbing a bank, I will do some small kind of robbing, like traveling a car or something like that, limited. And also, I will
Okay,
return the car once I am done.
of course. So what would you stand up against? When there's no law, there'll be many crimes being committed around you, right? So what would you stand up against?
There is a movie called as Purge. I think it's a show on Netflix, and that show is completely about what if there is no law for one day,
Oh,
and people will start killing others, and those kind of things will start happening. Like, I will stand against any kind of murder and those kind of stuff in order to
okay,
protect my loved ones and my family and everything.
okay, that's cool. So what would you do if next day you found out that for all the crimes you have committed, the stealing the car and giving it back, it's still considered as robbery. You are being investigated. All right. So what would you be your initial reaction?
Definitely, I would be like shocked, and I would be like, there was no law yesterday, and how can you do this to me? Everyone in the world did better crimes than this, and this is just a starter version. And I didn't. I
Okay.
even returned the car. You can check.
Okay, okay. So how do you think, the laws help us to maintain peace and order?
Because I think law will give a neutral perspective on everything. Law should not be any one person's game, because everyone has a different perspective. So overall, law maintains a neutral perspective and provide the right judgment, and that's the kind of law I am wishing for. But yeah, there is some kind of like mixing with those kind of things, and
Tampering.
yeah, tampering with those kind of things, and we we cannot do anything with that. Yeah.
True, true. So do you think that our laws are outdated, any of our laws?
Yeah, I think uh, no, I was like pointing out to education, but that's not under law. That's our parents' law that which force on ours.
Yeah. So, what about the delivery of judgment? We have seen some cases which take years. The person is no more alive, and yet the case goes on in the judicial system. So, what do you have to comment on that?
Uh, they need to be like more practical and more specific. Like there are some system for which police act smart, and they will like overpower the judgment, and they will take quick actions and give quick results. So even law should act like the police in some cases, and see for like practical scenario rather than always believing on proofs.
Okay. But they'll say that I don't think so that can change. They always base their judgment on the proof or
Evidence.
evidence that they have received. So do you think it will change in the coming days? Because everything will be digital. Even now the challenge that we are getting is like digital. We get it picturized. We pay it online. So what do you think will be the changes in respect to the law in the coming few years?
Yeah, I think even law system will get like artificial intelligence will replace this, and that's a good thing for us, because AI is everywhere. So it will know exactly, at least at some point it might have like saw you on some CCTV, and depending on all the practical reports, it will give proper judgment. That's what I think, but it will still need some tweak by a real human.
It might have saw you somewhere. It might have seen you.
It might have seen you somewhere
Yeah.
using
Or
some camera.
yeah. But yeah, as you said, we cannot put our entire life in hands of AI, and we'll require human assistance as such. But I don't know. Are you still satisfied with all the laws in our country or somewhere, anywhere in the world?
I'm not totally satisfied with all the laws of the country, but yeah, what I have noticed is to some extent all those laws make sense, and I won't go against any of those. But still, a lot of improvement can be done.
Okay, so what is one law that you want to change? Or, if you can get one new law, what would it that?
So every student must follow their passion. That's a like forceful law I want to like apply.
Okay, okay, that's cool. So we're almost at the end of our session. We might get disconnected soon. You're telling law and then you're imposing this thing that you have to do it. So yeah, it is good and bad at the same time, I should say. It is
Yeah.
reasonable if you think in a positive way, but that's cool. But do you think students, know particularly what they want at one particular age? Like straight
Yeah,
after our intermediate.
yesterday, like I spoke to one person, like his parents want him to be a CA, and he wants to be a digital marketer like me.
Oh,
And
okay.
and he's telling that like, how can I get started? I can't convince my parents. Like he has to stand for himself.
True,
And
true,
what else can I say? Like it is his parents, so he has to convince.
true, true. But I don't think that that's possible to most of us because they have their own perspective and they won't listen. They'll say, we have seen better things and better days. This won't work out. Until and
but
unless, like
but
you,
we
if
are
you
in a
show the
completely
results,
different era right now.
exactly, but they won't understand that, right? Because you could show you faced the same thing, but you could show a result to your parents and then they accept it, right?
Yeah.
So let's hope something good happens to him as well. Yeah.